Doctors have no proof that behavior, not maybe some behaviors, but not all behaviors, have anything to do with directly calling somebody mentally ill. Yes and no, but not really. And when it pertains to detecting mental illness, a lot of times the only thing that they have is witnessing behavior and not so much studying the human body. They know some things about the human body, but there's a lot of details they cannot validate directly, or they have not validated directly in the case of the brain. There's a lot of things that go into validating the human body. It's really all about genetics, and genetics is not even a completely whole science. And I don't think that they know everything that they claim they know, and I'm not sure that who's really claiming what they know, but these doctors at Cmhc are claiming to know something that they cannot prove, and I have testimony from someone practicing like a doctor saying that they're still working on the science. But my argument is that behavior is not a valid enough indication that someone actually has a mental illness. So not only that, but what really goes on in the world often is a lot of lies, small misdemeanors, some felonies, liars, thieves, con artists. Social Security is keeping people honest. It's helping the ones who have other illnesses that really probably still aren't being cured. So I have underlying illnesses, so and I've been through a lot of problems with doctors and medicine. This is all very confusing, and I can basically say they don't have the evidence, and that if they showed the actual evidence, it would be a miracle. Okay? Because a lot of times, even the most high specialized biochemists, laboratory scientists, anatomists, physiologists, you name it. They're even the physicists and the engineers. I've done all the studying. They cannot show us enough medical evidence to claim a lot of things about the human body, like especially medicines or cures, or even understand truly what illness is and where it's located. So this is my video for my last argument in my lawsuit against Cmhc. I'm trying to get off of a medication that's not good for me. And I've been on a lot of medicines that really aren't good. A lot of them have basically benzene in them, and they perform an extra little function or two that's susceptible to any part of the body, and it causes a lot of problems, and there's a lot of side effects, and the medicine isn't actually a good science in the first place. So don't be a misjudgment. People aren't who you always lay claims on them to be. Not even the doctors. I don't trust doctors so much anymore. I've done a lot of biochemical research. I know chemistry. I may not know everything